I gotta do this super. Oh no, don't. Okay. I'd like to introduce you to the new Daddy Tech vlogging camera. Yes, yes. Compliments of Best Buy. Well, not compliments, because it cost a fortune. But this is what I've been saving up all my YouTube money for. Now, I've spent some of my YouTube money, but I've replenished it. Haven't done one of these in the car in a while. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. Accessory. Plus, I've got a 100, actually, I don't know what it's called. The larger battery for this already. I accidentally ordered it for the camera I'm holding, and it won't work on this one. Power cable, USB, and you have to use this to charge their stinking camera. Can't use a regular USB. HDMI to mini HDMI, and then your oh, how nice. This one actually comes with the charging cable that charges the camera in my hand, as well as this new camera. Very nice. So this one doesn't actually have a cradle that you can put it on. And this one is not a little camera by any stretch of the imagination. It is a hoss. I've got big mitts and this thing just fits in it. Of course, I'm gonna have to adjust the strap on it. Now, this one does have built-in stereo microphones. You got your little focus ring on the front. You can do manual focus with it by hitting the little button right here. This does have a hot shoe where you can use external microphones or external accessories that are powered by the hot shoe. Your focus, photos. It's got the Exmor sensor. It is a 2/3. Of course, the battery's not on this, so it's not going to come on right now. You put your memory card right there. HDMI connects right there. It's got a night shot that actually functions as a night shot. And you can use the larger battery on here, which is the one I've got at home. Your AC in for your charging. Camera, your record button. External microphone, external audio jack, and a mini USB behind that door. This is a hoss. So you can either charge it with this, like the camera I've got in my hand, or that little port right there. Let's see if I can find the battery in this thing, and see if we can get it to power up even for a little bit. And I'll give you a little quick little video with it. I'd be really disappointed if I spent all that money on this camera and there's no battery. Oh, there it is. Jeez, tiny. That's not a very big battery at all. I'm glad I've got... Yeah, see, this is an NPFV70. This battery will actually work on the camera I've got in my hand. This one's got the NPFV30 on it. The 50 and the 70 will work on it, but the 100 will not. But the 100 will work on this camera. So here we go. Now I gotta shut you off because I gotta use the same memory card, because I don't have a separate one for this. And even though I spent as much as I did on it, this one doesn't come with one. At least if it does, I haven't dug that far down on the box yet. I found some online where they came with a 32 gig, but this one I don't see any in here, so I'm going to assume no. But I'll be right back with you. Next shot will be the 4K camera. Alright. Now, I can't shoot 4K with this because I don't have the faster memory card. It does require that. Now I'm getting ready to go back in and find out what the faster memory card would cost. Got a feeling it's gonna hurt. But here's your little quick shot. Get you an idea. See through my dirty windscreen. 5.1 surround sound. Oh, that is awesome. Built right into the camera. So no matter where you're at, the sound's gonna come out right. That is very nice. Now that I've got it in my hot little hands, I'm enjoying this big time, but it is heavy. So, and I've only got just well, I only had a hair of battery on it to begin with, so we're going to turn it off and go back to the CX220. I've had this thing for 2 years and it has been a little trooper. It fits real well in most pockets and everything else. And like I said when I was doing the unboxing for this just now, this has the DC in, so it'll use that same charger to charge it that way. Anyway, I'm gonna put this out, or put this up, and get back in there and see what the memory cards cost, because I want to do some 4K video really badly. Now, I don't get this. This is a 128 gig card for $79.95 or whatever, $79 anyway. They had a 64 that was also SDXC. This one is 90 megabits per second. That other one was 80 megabits per second, and it cost more. That one was, like I said, it was 64, half the memory this one has, and $99. This was $79. How does that make any sense? And who prices this stuff? Anyway, I'm gonna load this in here so we can get some good 4K footage.